Ayan, meron po tayong guest singer. Ayan, tawagin na natin. Ayan, merong request si Ma'am Marisa Ballesteros. Ayan, nag-standby po sa mag-guest singer.
Okay, itry. Okay, ayan. Palagay ko may pa-surprise si Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, and this time, merong kakanta o may request?
Yung request.
May request
muna
sila.
Unahin
Ma'am
na-
Marisa Ballesteros.
Ayan, may request si Sir Godfrey Altarap na. Sisiwit.
Hindi na po namin alam kung sinong uunahin.
Oo. Jack and Poy na lang po kayo.
Okay, sige.
Ayan, may request dito.
Okay ba yung promise, me?
Promise me.
Promise me. Okay. At sino yung nag-request ng promise me at tapos isunod natin yung
Si Ma'am
sisiwit
Marisa.
para wala namang walang agpapauyo, walang
Yes.
magtatampo.
First come, first
Okay.
serve.
Ma'am Marisa
Siyempre, hindi po namin
Ballesteros.
alam yung unahin namin. Pasensya na po ha. Baka magtampo po kayo. At unahin na natin yung sinabi ni Ma'am tapos isunod na natin para mas masaya. At
Yes.
pakantahin natin si Erica mamaya. Okay.
Yes.
Kaya standby ka lang, Miss Erica. Okay. Okay lang ba yun, Miss Erica? Okay. Oh, so yung promise me, sorry po, ganyan lang katao lang po.
Baka meron na
Baka
lang
may ibang song pa po, ma'am.
At pumunta na tayo sa sisiwit. Okay.
Ma'am Marisa, baka meron po kayong ibang song na
Mag-isip
request.
po muna kayo
Ayan.
ng pampalit dun sa...
Ito na.
Opo, ma'am.
Kaso di po namin alam yung song.
Kasi
Baka
matagal
may
na rin
ibang
siyang
song
hindi
pa po kayo na
natutugtog.
Pag-isipan ko
request.
ni yung nag-request ng promise me. Pero may iba.
Sisiwit
Okay. At andyan, may request pa talagang hindi mo naman masyadong pinaghandaan to, Sir.
Oo, parang kabo si Sarah. May ano kasi pulyetos.
Tsaka meron yung
Ano to? Why?
Why videos? Okay.
Wow. Why?
Ano po tong video okay?
Okay, sige. Ay, siya yung kakanta. Ano? Yung
Joko video.
Jupo
Videoke.
Okay, asan siya?
Jupo.
Ay, ikaw naman pala eh. Kakanta ka o... Kami
May
kakanta.
request.
Pero ano, si Jopo Video Okay. Baka meron siyang negosyo na pang video okay. Okay. Kung gusto nyo magpa-video okay sa inyong bahay, kontakin lang si Jopo Video Okay. Okay. At
Doon talaga, andun lahat ng mga kanta.
Oo. At makakanta nyo lahat. At makakapag-
Ayan, at meron pang mag-guest singer mamaya ang ating balikbayan na si Sir Roberto Agtarap.
Okay, unahin na natin yung why. Sige, why?
Ayan, sayo na!
Jopo, Video Okay. Video Okay. Video Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And this time, may kakanta.
Oo.
Okay. Ang ating balikbayan ay si Erica muna. Oo, yan. Andiyan pa si Ma'am Erica. Okay. Ano kakantahin ni Ma'am Erica? I will survive. Okay.
Ayan, standby lang po kay Sir Rupuerto.
Yes.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, to thinking I could ever live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. So you're back, and from outer space, I never knew if I could hear it. That's I look upon your face. You should have seen this to the love, should have made me liberty. And I don't know for a second you'd be back without me. But I go, woke up the turn, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. But you're the one who tried to hurt me with the body that I crumble. You think I lay down and die, I will survive. Oh, stars, I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive, yeah. Took all this pain not to fall apart. You got my many pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and see somebody new. I'm not the chain of beauty person, still in love with you. Now you can look at me, expecting me to be, and now I'm saving all my life for someone who loves me. Gonna go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. And you're the one who tried to hurt me with the body that I'm grateful. You can take a lay down and die. I'm gonna die, I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive. So now, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. When you're the one who tried to hurt me with your body that I crumble. You think I lay down and die, I'm gonna die, I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive, yeah, yeah.
Alright,
Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Erica.
okay, ayan, before we continue, we'd like to call on our the newly graduate, ayan, si Jaren Garan. Ayan, for his message. Jaren, where are you? Come on. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Jaren Garan. Speech, yes.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Ang cute niya, oh, yung pag... Sige, go, go, go.
How do I start? Sorry, okay, so this is gonna be all in English. Sorry that I couldn't put this in Ilocano, Tagalog. But first and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of you that came tonight. I'd also like to give a special thank you to my mom and dad. Hopefully I could get through this speech without getting emotional. But from the moment I first stepped onto campus 12 years ago, up until my last steps as a senior, you both always have been supportive of my decisions, whether bad or good. Not only is your support worth thanking, but also the value that you both have on my life. You both have inspired me to do bigger and better things with my life. And as immigrant parents, you both have came a long way. You worked really hard to provide for the family's needs. And words can't really show how much I respect, look up to, and love you guys. I promise to make it all worth of your sacrifices and hope to pay it all back one day. Secondly, I'd like to thank all my fellow relatives that were able to make it today. There's not much to say about each and every one of you guys, but you guys all have gathered here today for one special moment, which is my graduation. And you guys all have made this experience better. So I hope you guys enjoy the party, and I thank you guys for coming.
Okay, thank you so much, Jaren.
And once again, congratulations.
Can you give me one song for us?
Oh, for you guys, Tita.
Yes.
Jopay.
Jopay. Okay.
Ang kanta nakman?
Jopay.
Ang kamo lyrics do. Hoy! Datakan ah!
Okay. That's it. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ulit si Jaren! Jaren!
Jared Baba.
Okay, don't worry.
Ayan, magpalakpakan ka tayo lahat dyan. Come on!
Hey! Hey! Ho! Hey! 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 Kumusta ka na? Wala kita pinapanood, nakikita. Jopay, pasensya ka na. Wala rin kasi akong masyosa sa kasama. Baka na mawala. Baka na mawala. kang nawawala. Wag kang nawawala. Kaya yun, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, alis tayo, tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Di tayo mag-aaway, di tayo mag-aaway, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
One more song daw.
Babalik.
Babalik?
Yeah.
Magbalik? Okay.
Medbalik.
Magbalik.
Dadalhin kita.
Ayan, once again, Mr. Jared. Ay, magpalakpakan naman tayong lahat dyan.
Under the moon, I think
Pwede ba makarinig ng malakas ang palakpakan dyan?
sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for you. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, that we love no more, and my children will live one day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. Start about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they beat on the swords of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving through the waters they raise. I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our church there will be one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Stop with the violence, stop with the hate. One day we'll be free, and God soon to be under the same sun, singing songs of freedom like oh. I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ayan pala po naman po
Jaren.
natin si Jaren.
Yes. And congratulations. Thank you.
Ayan, at meron po
Ayan,
tayong
bago
guest.
natin tawagin si Sir
Puerto.
Ayan.
Jet.
Mag-a-announce
Yes.
muna tayo ng mga
Ayan.
ticket.
Sige.
Yes.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan,
Sige.
ticket number
Sige.
576.
576. Ayan, tignan nyo na yung last 3 digits ninyo. Come on. Yes.
Dahil makakatanggap kayo ng
House and lot.
576.
576, meron o wala? At the
5,
count of
4,
3,
2, 1. Ayun,
Ay,
si
andyan, andyan.
ate.
Ay, nako. Dahan-dahan natin.
576.
Naku, baka mahabugan si baby. Okay.
Is it correct?
Okay.
Ayan.
Paki-check. Paki-check naman. Tama?
Yan, tama.
Okay.
Alright, next number,
pangalan ni
514.
514.
Mom Nemali.
Congratulations. Okay. Dahan-dahan.
Ayan. O, sino po yung may number po na 514?
514.
O, mananalo ka ng...
House and lot ulit.
Kape
Parang
na may
maubos yung mga
kasama.
bahay dito, ah.
Para may kapele
Tumbler.
ka.
Ito yung original lang kami. Favorite ko to.
Oo, para sa mahilig ng may kapeling.
Oo. Para may
Sa mga may kapeling.
at may
May
kap-
kapeling
Paano naman
dyan.
kung walang kape?
Sa mga wala, magkape na lang. Oo.
Wala. Sige, bulit pa kayo ng isa.
514.
514, wala pa.
Wala. O, baka nakauwi na. Inaanap.
Okay,
tayo.
next number.
665.
Oh, 665.
665.
Dito ka, Glessy, kasi ayaw ko yung marinig yung 66, sabi niyo eh.
Sexy. Sabi niya sexy 5.
Joke.
Sexy.
665.
Sexy
665.
Wala. Oh. Para mabilisan tayo. Bilangan ay andyan. Andyan ba?
5,
Oo.
4,
3,
2,
1. Wala na.
And of course, ayan na. Next number, 709.
709. Ay, pakikita man
709.
po. Dikita ng numeriyo apo.
709, 5,
Wala, palitan natin.
4, 3, 2,
Awan, bagi me ito yun.
1, and next number 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3,
4. 3.
2, awan.
Awan na talaga, awan.
Awan.
Ano ba ito numero dito?
Ayan.
Next number is
537.
537. Nay, nagawid dan samot ka na po.
Nagawid dan.
Okay, next number.
Next number, 578.
578.
5, 6,
Ayun na, sir.
Sino? Oh,
578.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Awan, okay.
Next number, 689. 689.
689.
689.
689.
Okay, meron na.
Nanalo ka ng kape na may kasamang asukal.
Sugar. Ayan, next number. 690. Dakan niya time lang. 690. 690.
690.
Palagay ko meron sa atin. 690. Ikaw?
690.
Malapit na sa akin.
690.
5, 4,
3,
2, 1. Awan. Okay, go, 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 go. Bunot, bunot.
Next number, 526.
Uy, wag niyong kunin yung numero. Nako, pag...
5,
Akin na, baby.
2,
Kaya,
6.
baka hindi mabunot yung... Wag niyong kunin yung mga numero dyan.
5,
Ay, nako,
2,
baka meron ng mga nanay
Wow.
niyo. Isolin niyo, isolin niyo.
Isubli ubing.
Ay, sige. Oh, bahala kayo. Hindi mabubunot yung number yung nanay niyo. Kinuha niyo na dito.
Next number, 6.
Oh, sino? Mini, Mini mo. Na.
611. Ayan.
611.
Parang pares kayo ng simula.
Nag-aawid ang samot ka ni inay.
Ano?
611. Ayan mo.
Sayang. Oh, palit ay iba na.
Next number,
Iba ng gusto.
700.
Next number?
700.
700.
Awan. Awan lang
Siete.
na.
Tero.
Okay, next number.
Di ba o nga talungan number lang at kita yun, apo, Okay.
678.
Ayan.
700.
700.
700.
Nay, sir.
Sir, congrats
Congratulations.
Okay, next number, 585.
585. 585.
Ayan si Ading. Dalagang Pilipina. Yes.
Oh, ay, andyan. And
Next.
562. 562.
562.
562.
562.
Ayan. Sino po?
Ayun. Ay.
562.
Ayan si Sir ata.
Ay, mekos-mekos natin.
Next number is 680. 680.
Wala? Wala sa atin?
Wala talaga. Olats. Ayan. Next number, 720.
Ayan, si ate.
Ayan dito si Aling. Congratulations.
Ayan, next na tayo. 718. 718.
Oh, mananalo ng manteka.
Ay! Toronto
Ayan.
boy.
Ay, soy.
Congratulations.
Ay,
Munat inala na.
para sa nanay mong nagluluto gamit ang toyo.
Okay. Yung mga, hindi
Sana-
mga nanay may tuyo
may
din eh.
toyo.
Oo. Lalo-
Next number. 678.
Lalong-lalo na pag pagod na sa trabaho talaga.
678.
Totoyoin ka talaga.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Near tayo.
678. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1. Next number. 621.
6 to 1.
O, sino yung may nag-aari ng 6
6 to 1.
to 1? 6 to
Wala.
1.
Wala. O, next na tayo. 6, 1, 2.
Parang binaliktad mo lang, ha?
Sige. Sige.
6, 1, 2.
612, Apo.
Okay, next. Oh, tikisa din. Tikisa pa kayo, medyo marami pa.
Okay, next number. Aray. 566. 566. 566. May katay, ma'am. Sir.
Ay, ayan! Si Ate Ganda.
Yes, at ang next number
Yes, let's
natin
congratulate Sir
ay
Gilbert.
number
Sir Luisito Cruz.
607. 607.
O, ano?
607.
Next.
Next number. 584.
584.
584.
Yan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, next.
Oh, next.
6 to 5.
625. 584.
Oh, meron sa atin yun.
6 to 5.
Wala. Next number.
Okay, next number is 654.
Oh.
654.
6. Ay, si Madam.
Okay, sige.
Bigyan
Okay,
ng...
tama na. Mamaya ulit.
654.
Yes, oh.
Okay.
Welcome.
Mamaya ulit.
Ayan, at syempre may mag-guest singer. Ayan, tawagin na natin si Sir Ruperto.
Sir Roberto,
Sir Romecan.
where are you?
Hello, mic check.
Ay, si Sir.
King and Queen of Hearts.
King and
This song is dedicated to my brother-in-law, Arnel Castillo. Unlimited Damage.
Wow! Unlimited damage.
Gustong gusto namin yan, sir.
Ibibigay lahat. Okay, palakpakan natin si Sir Roberto. Sige lang, kasi hindi pa nahanap yung lyrics. Sige lang. Go lang. Wala pa yung lyrics. Yes, and here is song from David.
The music starts.
Sige, intro. Oh.
We're the king and queen of hearts. Tell me when the music starts. All my dreams come true when I dance with you. Hey! Your mind tonight. I'll be light tonight. While the lights are low, I'll never let you go. Didn't dream that we dance forever in a ways that we made together. On a night that I pray would never end. Oh, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Time to pass and tears will fall, but someday we'll both recall moments the memories. Didn't dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on the night that I pray would never end. Whoa, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Where the dances never seem to stop. Didn't dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on the night that I pray would never end. Whoa, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Yeah, didn't dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on the night that I pray would never end. Whoa, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Thank you, brother-in-law and sister.
Oh, isa pa daw na love song. Sometimes when we touch. Okay. Okay. Pwede ko kayong sumayaw.
You ask me if I love you, and I joke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly, that leaves me in the light. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty too much, and I have to close my eyes and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Romance and all this gravity leaves me battling my pride, but you need security, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my dream. I guess it's not first fighter, there's a risk. Sometimes when we dance, the honesty too much, and I have to close my eyes and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. The times I'd like to break you and drive you to your knees. The times I'd like to break you At times I understand you, and I know how hard you try. I once will I commend you, and then once love passed you by. I tried studying where dreamers still searching for a friend, brother or a sister, but then the passion springs again. Sometimes when we dash, the honesty to mask, and I have to close my eyes and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear within subsides. Thank you.
Yes, thank you
Hey,
so much.
you're damaged, bro. Come on,
Sir
bro.
Roberto.
Sir Roberto, ayan, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Ayan at syempre, palakpakan naman po natin yung mga sumayaw. Thank you so much po sa mga pumalakpak.
Yes, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. At meron, kamukha ni ni Fortune.
Side view.
Ayan, baka may mga request pa po kayo, ma'am.
Ay, may kakanta
Ano
ulit.
pong pangalan, ma'am? Ano pong pangalan? Dili.
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 Dili namin alam.
Dili namin alam.
Dili, alikan na.
Sige, dali-dalian natin. Alam niyo naman po, tumatakbo ang oras natin at malapit na din tayong matapos. And we'd like to congratulate once again to
Jaren.
Darren.
Gian.
And of course, to Garan family. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite niyo po sa amin at sana po na-enjoy niyo tong gabing to sa kanilang selebrasyon. And this
asan na
time,
po si sir?
ayan na. Okay.
Sir.
Wow,
Ano
ang
pong
gwapo
pangalan ni
naman.
sir?
Okay ka pa ba, Chan? Okay. Dito ka po. Dito po kayo, dito sa gitna. Dito, sir.
Sir Johnny. Sir, may katoy. Sir
Sir
Johnny.
Johnny.
Sir Johnny.
Hello.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Serious.
Promise me nga,
Promise
Lord
me.
Soriano.
Yan pala, oo. Ay, sus. Apo na kayong ubingan.
Ay, hoy, mga bata.
My children,
Ay, Bag
Ano
Marisa.
yan?
your eyes.
Riga di mati. Ama iso. Iso mo menjalan ako.
Ano bang promise mo?
Ha? Miss me nga, Lord Soriano. Lord Soriano, ma'am.
Kaninong kanta po?
Promise me nga, Lord Soriano.
Ay, Tagalog. Kayo naman. Tagalog.
Oh, yeah. Yan.
Hindi ganun ang beat.
Mati. Hindi. Promise me, Lord Soriano. Lord Soriano. Ay, hindi.
Ay, country song. George Soriano.
Lord Soriano. Promise me, Lord Soriano. Susama lang yun. Diyan na nasorotan yan. Yan.
Ay, I gave you.
Yan.
Sige.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sir.
Sir Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
I give you all my my life, and I always, you always there. There is no one to take my heart away from you. But won't you please love me back? Love me the way I do. Love me free. Love me true. If you ever say goodbye, and I will cry, 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 and I can't live alone without you in my life. Give you all my love, and always you, always stay. There is no one to take my heart away from you. But won't you please love me better? Love me the way I do. Love me still. You love me true. And if you ever say goodbye, and I will cry, cry and cry, I just can't live alone without you in my life. I give you all my love and all is there. There is no one to take my heart away from you. But won't you please love me back? Love me the way I do. Love me still. You love me true. Love is still. You love me true.
Yes! Palakpakan
Thanks for
naman po
joining.
natin si Sir Johnny!
Yes. Johnny.
Yes.
Sir Johnny.
Sabi
Yes,
nga
at
di-
syempre,
Sabi nga dito sa
Thanks
lyrics,
for-
thanks for joining, Sir Billy.
Uploaded by.
tawagin na po natin yung mga batang sasayaw.
Oo.
May mag-i-intermission.
Asan na yung grupo ni Toronto Boy? Asan na? Asan na? Baby, baby.
Asan na yung mga sasayaw?
Ay,
Baby?
Tawagin mo na yung mga kasama mo.
Paglaki nito, tignan mo. Bata ka
Talagang-
pero pag lumakad talagang macho.
Guwapito.
Eto naman, bakit ganyan?
Ay, sabi ko
Wag
na.
ganyan, ah.
Sabi ko na, Barbie.
Asan na?
O hindi Barbie yan, lalaki yan.
Ayan, pina-play na po ata yung yung tugtog. Doon na lang. Jigger.
Yung pang TikTok.
TikTokers yung mga to. Ayan, ijay kayo sumanga ubing, ligiti,
Yeta.
agboy buya. Ayan.
Yehey.
Palakpakan tayo man po, digiti ubing.
na, macho eh.
Paulit daw po. Ready.
Tignan ko nga kung sino yung pinakamagaling sa kanila.
I think yung star dancer nila si cute.
Mr. Toronto.
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapagbigyan?
Sige lang. Sige.
Yes, ayan, palakpakan naman po natin yung mga kids. Ayan at syempre, tawagin na natin yung ating guest singer, si Sir Tony Agtarap.
Hello po. Sika.
Yeah.
By
Yun,
Rudy
meron
po.
na.
Hoy.
Anong pangalan ni Sir?
Tony po, ma'am.
Tony.
Sir Tony.
Yes,
Tony,
Tony.
Tony Agtarap. Agtarap naman yan.
Tara pa.
Anong kakantahin? Sika. Sika.
By Rudy Corpus, ma'am.
Okay, at ito na yung panghuli na guest singer natin at malapit na po tayo
Hello.
matapos.
Hey.
Okay, at pwede na po kayo sumayaw naman.
Maraming ka dyan eh. Sa dinuma, di ayang ubiyag ko. Kaya't ko ken ka nga ipudno sikat kanayo di arapa ako kaya't di kanto mapuka ito'y lagip ko sa dinuma di ayang ubiyag ko kaya't ko ken ka nga ipudno sikat kanayo di arapa ako ket di kanto mapuka dito'y lagip ko oray pa agdaban ni tawen ikaligyan ka at sikalaen di ka masursuro yago alipate Yak ko pumaken ka nga ibut mo sika kanayo di arapa ako kendi kanto mapuga dito'y lagip ko oray pa aglabas ni tawen ikariken ka sikalaen di ka masursuro yaku alipate oray pa agatu ijay tanen oray pa agtama ni tawen ikariken ka at sika sikalaen di ka masursuro diaku alipate oray pa adda aku ijay tanen oray pa adda aku ijay tanen. Thank you very much.
All right, and this time I'd like to give you our final song before we say goodnight to everyone. And once again, thank you so much, Garang family. Come on! Sana pa nag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi. Good night, everyone!
Tender
Channel 9.